Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the affected area closely to confirm mottling and its extent. Use a degreaser and lint-free cloth to remove oils and silicone because contaminants prevent even film build. Once clean, sand only the high spots and glossy edges with 600-800 grit to knock down sheen. This helps new material feather. Make sure you mask surrounding panels and control temperature and humidity, since environmental swings are a common cause of mottled appearance. Once the surface is feathered, you correct texture and film thickness by applying a high-build primer to fill low spots and even the surface tension. Spray thin, overlapping passes and allow proper flash time between coats so solvents evaporate evenly. This reduces reactivity that causes blotches. After primer cures, wet sand with 1,000-1,200 grit to remove orange peel and create a uniform key. Make sure to clean again with tack cloth before topping to avoid. You finish by spraying the base coat in controlled, overlapping passes so pigment distributes evenly. Avoid heavy wet coats that sag or cure inconsistently. Once the color lays flat, apply clear coat in 2-3 thin coats with correct flash times and recommended film build to lock in uniform gloss. After curing, inspect under varied light. If mottling reappears, focus troubleshooting on residual contaminants, mismatched solvent strength, or improper recoat intervals, addressing these fixes the root cause rather than hiding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.